Assalamu alaikum one class. Hope you will be fine. Start with the name of Allah who is most merciful and beneficent. Welcome to your English lesson. Before starting our lesson, firstly we will discuss word of the day and message of the week. Word of the day is amazing, means wonderful and incredible. You pause the video and again repeat with me. Amazing means wonderful and incredible. Amazing means a thing or a person or a work that is very interesting and very wonderful. Okay, so I made some sentences for you like amazing. I made an amazing piece of art. Okay, and there is another sentence. My grandma told me an amazing story. Now it's your turn. You make your own sentences and you must share your word of the day and sentence on a loose sheet or on your notebook, and you take a picture and you will share with us. And now come on the message of the week. Message of the week is do good, have good. If you do good with others, good will come back with you. If we show kindness to others, Allah Almighty help us. Okay, so must keep it in mind that every time you must try to do good for others. Okay, now you must revise it at least 3 times. Class, now come on your lesson. Open your textbook of English, page number 102. Our new unit is unit 16, the inventor. Okay, write date and day. And before starting the work, I would like to introduce the keywords. As its name is the inventor. Do you know who is inventor? Inventor is a person who made a new things. Okay, and a thief. Who is a thief? Thief is a person who stole the things of others. Means who take the things of other without permission. Okay, and do you know what is the meaning of trap? Trap is a thing. It is something by which one is caught. Means we catch someone with this trap. Okay, student, look carefully. You will write these keywords in your notebook and you must learn these words. I again repeat. An inventor. Inventor is a person who made new things. Pause the video and repeat with me. Yes, a person who made new things. Okay, and thief, a person who stole things of other, or we can say that he takes the thing of others without permission. What is the meaning of trap? Trap is something by which one is caught, means by which we can catch someone. Okay, so you will write these keywords onto your notebook and you must memorize these words. In the same way, you will write date and day on your notebook, and unit 16, write the topic, the inventor, must underline the topic and put a quotations here. Okay class, is it clear? Now come to the lesson. This lesson is of a girl. This is related to a girl whose name is Yasmin. Okay, she is living with her mother, her father and a brother. They live in a family. And what will happen with her family? We will read in this lesson. I am an inventor, said Yasmin. Yasmin said that I am an inventor. She said that I made new things. Okay, read with me. I am an inventor, said Yasmin. That's not true. That's not true, said her big brother, Asad. What is the name of her brother? Asad. You can't be an inventor. You can't be an inventor. You are only 6 years old. Class, her brother said that you cannot be a inventor, you cannot make anything because you are very small. You are a kid of 6 years old. So Yasmin invented things in her bedroom. When she looked at her brother not agree, She made all the things in her bedroom. She didn't, this word is didn't tell anyone about it. One Tuesday morning, Yasmin's mother friend came to her house for tea. Which day? Tuesday. A friend of her mother came to their house for tea. As you see, they are having cup in their hands. Did you know? She said. She has a story for her mother. She said, did you know last night a thief took all Mrs. Ali's jewels, means jewelry, important thing. He came in through her bathroom window. A thief, a person who take the things of other without permission, na? He came to Mrs. Ali's house and he take all the jewels. Oh no, said Yasmin's mother. Nobody is safe these days. Nobody is safe these days, said her mother. Okay. Aha, said Yasmin to herself. I will invent a thief trap. What she will invent? She will make a thief trap.